डाउट्स में अटकते, सब्जेक्ट्स में लटकते, कब तक हम रहेंगे सर पटकते। हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू येट अनदर धमाकेदार फर्राटेदार एंड मजेदार सेशन बाय वेदांतु यंग वंडर्स. I'm your host, dost, and master teacher Pritesh Joshi from Vedantu. On behalf of the entire Vedantu family, I welcome each and every one of you to this class where we are dealing with the chapter Separation of Substances for my dearest, cutest, genius grade 6 students. So welcome to the class, guys. I hope you guys are doing amazingly awesome. And guys, you know that if you want to talk to me, you can connect with me on Telegram. The link for the Telegram is t.me/Vedantu Junior. I'm already responding to each and every student personally on Vedantu Junior. So guys, please connect with me on Telegram by going to t.me/Vedantu Junior. And guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Vedantu Young Wonders. It is absolutely, bilkul, completely free, muft. So guys, subscribe to the channel and you know that you don't have to go anywhere else to subscribe. आपको कोई new tab web खोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just on this particular video, right on this video, you can see the logo of the channel right here. इस right bottom corner पे आपको logo of the channel दिख रहा है. उस logo पे click करो, subscribe option pop हो जाएगा. जैसे ही subscribe option pop होता है, just click and become a part of the Vedantu family. It is absolutely free, guys. Subscribe to the channel so that you can meet me every day at 9 p.m. You can have sessions like It's All About English Winglish. English ke sessions I take, plus you will be seeing me in many new avatars if you subscribe to the channel. So subscribe to the channel and become a part of the Vedantu Young Wonders family. Also guys, if you want to learn with me more in detail about your courses and you want to decode the NCERT word by word with me, so you can take the Vedantu Pro subscription, which is available at vdnt.in/YT Pro. This link is given even below in the description of this video. When you go on this link, select your grade, select your target exam, and you can select whether you want 1 month subscription, 3 month subscription or 6 month subscription. Any subscription you take, you get a nice discount if you use my secret code, and that is PRPRO. Use my secret code PRPRO and get a good must heavy wala discount. So get the discount and start learning with Vedantu. Now guys, time is for taking the names. Ajay Kumar, kya ho gaya? Why are you so sad? Oh, Galaxy, you have taken the pro subscription. That is great. So hi Purana, Vanita, Gamer, Ravi Kumar, Reshma, Mehpreet, Shubham, Sasi, Vardhani, Ravi Kumar, Nitin, Gunnar, Khushi, Divyanshi, MS Kashyap, Aryan Sharma. Welcome to the channel. Shubham Free Fire, happy birthday to you. Deepak, Anushka, Ramesh, Harsh, Neetu, Ani, Ankita. Who else? Jha Kitchen, Darshan, Hani, Dev, Ranjana, Shivam, Anantashri, Sahil, Surya, Hem. Oh, you have taken the subscription, Surya. That's nice. Super Indians, Myra, Sehgal, Sahil, Yashas, Christian, Piyali, Haneet, Artist, Manoj, Om, Bhaskaran, Himanshu, Seema, Bala, Yash. Then Chandrabhan, Mudita, Dev, Anjana, Gupta, Himanshu, Heshwita, Messi is better, Deepak, and so many of you. Even the Biotonian Vinay Rawat. Hello, welcome to the class. So guys, welcome to the class and let us continue learning about separation of substances. In the previous class, we have learned about hand picking, threshing, winnowing and sieving. These 4 methods we have learned in the previous class. In today's class, we are going to learn again 3 to 4 new methods in which you can separate the substances, and those methods that we are going to learn are going to be sedimentation, Hi Krijot Singh Sidhana, decantation, filtration. These methods we are going to learn today. Also, we are going to see what do you mean by loading, as loading is also a part of sedimentation. Now guys, before learning about what is sedimentation, you should know what is the meaning of the word sediment. What is the meaning of the word sediment? Sediment means the heavy particle. So if in a liquid there are sediments, and if you leave that liquid still for some time, the heavy particles will settle down and you will get the clean liquid on the top, and that is called sedimentation. The meaning of sediment are the heavy particles. Sedimentation is a process by which you leave the liquid still for some time so that the sediments will settle down and on the top you will get the clean liquid. That is called sedimentation. ठीक है? The process by separating heavy substances by adding water to it. ठीक है? Next, decantation. Decantation is a process of removal of water along with light dust particles. So if you want to remove the light particles, you can do decantation. You can also separate oil and water by decantation. Because if you are pouring, so what you have to do is you have to take a rod. You have to take a rod and then you have to pour the liquid. When you want to separate oil and water, oil is lighter than water. So oil will float. Oil will float. So when you will pour this mixture of oil and water, the water will pour down whereas the oil will remain in the vessel. Suppose you have got two vessels. This has oil and water. This is empty. This has oil and water and this is empty. So you will put a rod like this. I'll just try to hold it, guys. You will put a rod like this and you will pour this. Okay, you can see, right? You can see. So you will just pour it. When you will pour it, the water will flow into the bottle whereas the oil will remain in this. ठीक है? So that is called decantation. You can also separate oil and water using decantation. Thank you, Shweta. God bless you. Thank you, Shubham Fire. Happiest birthday, dearest Kumar. Happiest birthday. God bless you. ठीक है? Hi, hello Rima Devi from Rashmi. Hi Rashmi. Hi Chikki, GKV Chikki. Hello. चलो. So guys, hi Anushka. अनुष्का प्लीज रिकॉर्डिंग देखो, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. सेडिमेंटेशन इज अ प्रोसेस जिसमें आप पानी में जो भी मिलावट है उसको आप स्टिल रख दोगे एंड देन जो भी सारे उसमें पार्टिकल्स है वो नीचे बैठ जाएंगे और आपको साफ पानी ऊपर मिल जाएगा. डिकैंटेशन में आप दो ऐसे सब्सटेंसेस जो लाइट है उनको आप सेपरेट कर सकते हो. एग्जाम्पल ऑयल एंड वाटर. हाई शोमेन साहा, आई एम नॉट इग्नोरिंग यू. हेलो, हाई मैरियम फ्रॉम गोवा. ठीक है, चलो. सो गाइज, next is, see, this is how decantation, sedimentation happens. You just stir it and you leave it. All the particles have settled down. ठीक है? So this is the water and this is the clean liquid. So this is sedimentation. This is the process of sedimentation. ठीक है? Then what you will do is, then you will just lightly pour it. And again, see, when you lightly poured it, you got a more clearer water and this is known as the decantate. ठीक है? So, next comes loading. What do you mean by loading? Loading is when you mix a chemical for faster sedimentation. When you mix a chemical in a liquid for faster sedimentation, it is called loading. And in this case, we can use alum. Alum, also called turti. In Hindi, is a substance which cleans water. You just take alum and you move it in water and you keep it outside. You will see after 5 minutes, all the mud will settle down in the water. So, hi Kamakhya, I'm not ignoring you. Thank you Divya, Veenu, Ashwin, Reena, Balaji, Rampal, Avika, Sangeeta, Nikita, Varema, Utkarsh, Sangeeta, Pavan, Ashray, Ronak, Lalita, Anamika, Sara, Deepak, Mayank, Tanya, Bharat, Shamsham, Sara, all of you. ठीक है? Hi Sejal, Lokesh, Sunil. ठीक है? Dev, Nyasa, I'm taking all the names as possible. Guys, give me just little bit of time. गोविंद प्रताप, केओट, प्लीज गुस्सा मत होइए, मुझे थोड़ा सा टाइम दे दिए, मैं सबके नाम लूंगा. ठीक है? सो व्हाट इज लोडिंग? Loading is a process by which you mix a chemical for faster sedimentation. Example, alum. So if you mix alum in a substance, the sedimentation will happen faster. ठीक है? चलो, moving on. do not forget to download the Vedantu app, which is freely available on Google Store and Apple Store. This app is freely available on Google Store and Apple Store, and if you have already downloaded the app, please make sure that you update the app. Please make sure that you update the app. Update the app. Okay? Chalo. So now guys, moving on to the next process, filtration, which you would have seen very commonly in your kitchen when your mother filters tea or any other liquid. So filtration is a process by which solid particles are removed from a liquid by passing through a filter, and this filter can be a paper, it can be a cloth, or it can be a sieve. Sieve का मतलब क्या होता है? Sieve मतलब होता है आपकी छन्नी, आपकी छन्नी. छन्नी को हम बोलेंगे सीव. छन्नी को हम बोलेंगे सीव. थैंक यू आदित्य. हाय हर्षा, रौनक, हेलो अचिंत्य, हेलो आदित्य, अतिशय. इट्स नॉट माय बर्थडे टुडे. सुरूपन नंदी, थैंक यू आदित्य, थैंक यू सो मच. चलो, सो गाइज, by which way can we make? Okay, Hashvita, there are many ways. You can do sedimentation, you can do decantation, you can do filtration, you can also add chlorine to the water to make it clean. So guys, filtration is when you're using a filter like a filter paper, a muslin cloth, or a sieve to do the filtration. Okay? Now, next comes the process of evaporation. In evaporation, a liquid is converted to a vapor. A best example is getting salt from seawater. Getting salt from seawater is done by evaporation. In a salt pan, they will put the seawater. The seawater will get evaporated because of the heat of the sun, and what will be left behind? What will be left behind will be the salt. So in this way, seawater is used to obtain salt by the process of evaporation. By the process of evaporation, vapor, liquid is converted to vapor to get back the substance. You can even take salt water and you can keep it in the sun. The water will get evaporated, the salt will be left behind. Same, sugar and water, mix sugar and water, keep the sugar and water in the sun, the water will go away, sugar will be left behind. So evaporation could be done to get salt from water, to get sugar from sugar water. Okay? Chalo. So guys, let us move on to the quiz now. Let us move on to the quiz. Before that, let us quickly revise what all we have learned. We have learned about sedimentation, where the sediment settle down. Decantation, oil and water. Loading, where we are using a chemical. And evaporation. Also filtration, where we are using a filter like a filter paper, cloth, or a sieve. Okay? Chalo. Hi, I'm on the CR7 Pro. Hi Shivangi, thank you so much Shivangi. Chalo guys, now if you want to do the Menti, quickly give me the likes. Likes dikhao yaar guys. You say sir your teaching is so nice, sir we like your teaching. Hi Saili Patel. You say everything. Where are the likes? I don't see that in the responses that you guys give. Chalo, to start the Menti, quickly give me the likes. We have more than 350 students in the class, not even 250 likes. What is this? Chalo, quickly give 300 likes and then we can start. Thank you, Learn with Kashi. Hi, Mokshika. Hello, Sanya, Nishita, Shauman, Shubham. Chalo, quickly 300 likes and then I'm starting the Menti. Come on. Last 13 likes to go. Come on, guys. Quick. Last 5 likes to go. I will be taking all the names. I will be taking. Chalo. Hi Garima, Melizuko, why are you going? Hi Manik, Bantu, Ishanvi, Khushi, thank you, Buns Karan. Chalo. So guys, here is the code. Quickly go to www.menti.com and use the code 49875. So you have to go to menti.com 49875. The code is 49875. 49875. 49875 is the code. Hello Panagga. Hi Suman, you have to go to menti.com and put the code 49875. Hi Shubham, Khileshwari, Dharmendra, Latika, Panaga, Legend, Anshika, Latika, Sunita, Legend, Jadeja, Minazur Hussain, Ezhi Chalo. Quickly go to menti.com guys. The code is 49875. 49875. Hello Nitin, Kusum, Shravya, हेतल, हसीनी रेड्डी, नितिन, सुप्रिया, अंजना, पूनम, नितिन, लक्ष्मी, नितिन, उत्कर्ष, काळे, नितिन, नरेश, मंजू, थैंक यू मंजू, प्रसून, प्रियंका, सौम्या, मुकेश, विभा, आहाना. चलो, वीना फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र, सिद्धि, शौमिली, नरेश, सुपर इंडियंस, जीवन राव, गदिवन, हाय संगीता, भूषण, सुप्रिया, मन्नत, हाय मन्नत. चलो, so guys, let us look at the colorful characters that you have got. Come on, come on, come on. Hi Vijay Lakshmi, devotional Chennai, Nishita, Khileshwari, Laksha, Kalpana, Anjana Gupta, Rohan. Chalo, Vinay Pal Singh, loading. Vinay Pal, loading is a process in which we use a chemical to do sedimentation. ठीक है? चलो, Barani. Oh, Barani, you want me to help you for NEET? Okay. Hi Priyanka. Come on. Hi Manish Kumar Shivastava. Hello Manish Kumar Shivastava. Chalo guys, let us do 350 and then we'll start the quiz. ठीक है? Hi Shashi Prabha. The code is 49875. Thank you Divya. 49875. Hi Gauri, Nu, Pallavi, Siddhant, Jeevan Rao, Achintya. Chalo. Last two to go. Chalo, 350 is done. Let us start the quiz. Guys, read each and every option carefully. Okay? So guys, here is the first question. The rate of sedimentation can be increased by adding salt, sugar, alum or soap. I told you this right now. How can you fasten sedimentation? Hi Nia, Shubham, thank you Sapna Jain, thank you so much. Hi Pallav. Hi Siddhant Gupta. Hi Vibha Mahant. With Vibha Mahant's daughter. Chalo. Very good Srishti, you're right. Very good. So time is up. We have got 200 plus students who have answered correctly that it is alum. Very good guys. Great going. Let us look at the leaderboard. And we have got Amit Joshi, Taylor Swift, Durgashri, Power Ranger, Athar, Akhileshwar Pal, Minazur, Sunaina, Pokemon and Shri Hari. Very good. Hi Rohit and Achintya. Chalo, let us move on to the next question. Yes Sridhar, 25 days are left. Yeah, hi Utkarsh and Barun. Hello Swarna, Pavitra Arts. The process of increasing the rate of sedimentation is called what? Increasing the rate of sedimentation. Filtration, crystallization, loading or condensation. Come on. Hi Anakha Abhilash. Hi Anakha Abhilash. Hello Deepalata. Love to Mysore as well, Panaga. Such a beautiful place. I've been thrice to Mysore. It's always so good to go there. Hi Jayant. Hi Neharika Kumari. Hello Sandeep Kishore. Hi Shomik. Hi Mayank. Hello artist Vashu. Very good. More than 200 of you have again answered correctly that it is loading. Superb. Hi Anshika. Hello, Melizuko, don't go play the quiz. So, Durgashri, Athar, Mizanur, Prithvi, Anshika, Ganesh, Rishabh, Shlokanand, Simran, Anantashri. Anantashri is the fastest. Congratulations, Anantashri. Hello, Barun, Gauri, Rashi Kumar. Chalo, let us move on to the next question. Hi, Babita. Chalo. So, the method used to separate a dissolved solid from a solution is इवेपोरेशन, फिल्ट्रेशन, सेडिमेंटेशन और डिकैंटेशन. जो डिसॉल्व हो चुका है. चलो, गौरव, आई एम फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र. गौरव. हाय अंजना गुप्ता. हेलो. चलो. Yes, Barani, I will help. You can attend the classes. Your state board syllabus also gets covered in this. Hi Deepish, Ananta. Chalo. Oh, guys, dissolved. Salt and water is dissolved, right? Salt and water को आप कैसे separate करोगे? Evaporation. Sugar and water को आप कैसे separate करोगे? Evaporation. है ना? Thank you, Shubham Free Fire. चलो. Let us move on to the next question. Hi Bantu Tiwari. Hello, Melam Panti. So we have got Durgashri, Athar, Ganesh, Aditya. Okay, Durgashri, Athar, Ganesh, Shwetu, Ashwin, KR Singh, Ansana, Aditya Raj, Arnav, Sushant and Ninja. Durgashri is the fastest. Very good, Durgashri. Nice. Hi, chemistry lover and Arpan. Chalo. So guys, let us move on to the next question. Hi, Hasini Reddy. Chalo. Separation of kerosene and water. I told you this. Kerosene and water. Condensation, filtration, sedimentation, decantation. Hi, Sneha, Niharika, Vaishnavi, Ishmita, Sonakshi, Pallavi, Siddhi. It's okay, Shivan. Don't be sorry. Hi, Rudraksh. Thank you, Yashasvi. God bless you. Chalo. Hello, Jagdish. Hi, Ravi. Hi, artist. Chalo. Let me see. Very good. At least maximum have answered correctly. That is great that at least maximum of you got it right. It is decantation. Hi, Sandeep. Chalo. So guys, let us move on to the leaderboard. So Durgashri, Ganesh, Shwetu, Ashwin, Sana, Sushant, Prachi, Newton, Lakshadweep and Bishwajit. Durgashri is the fastest. Congratulations. Hi, Sarvanan Manive. Hello. Chalo. Let us move on. Happy birthday, Barun. God bless you always. Hi, Vantesh. The clear liquid obtained after filtration is called what? Water, filtrate, solution or residue. Clear liquid. Hi, Arpan. Bushra Iman. Hi, Kafia. Your name is Kafia. Hi, Satish Gerangya. I'm not ignoring you, dear. Hi, Vashu Kaushik, Soumya Pandey, Kalash Dolas, Arpan, Shomik. Hello. Hi, Arpan. Abhishek. Shiva, you have to go to menti.com. You have to go to www.menti.com. Okay, Melizuko, I understood. But Melizuko, when you are wishing someone, you will say good evening. If it is night, you will say good evening. Okay? Chalo. So guys, 191 of you have got right. It is filtrate. It will be called a filtrate. Okay? So जब चाय आप छान लोगे तो उसको बोलोगे आप filtrate. Durgashri, Ganesh, Ashwin, Shwetu, Sushant, Killer, Lakshadweep, Aditya, Divyansha and Ronak. Again, Durgashri is the fastest. Very good. Hi, Devika, Karthik Raj, Valag Gaming, Archana, Devika. Hello, Karthik Raj, Maheshwari. Hello, Valag Gaming. Chalo. So guys, let us move on to the next question. A mixture of sugar and water can be separated by, how can you separate sugar and water? Filtration, evaporation, separating funnel or decantation. Hi, BTS, King. Hello, Valag Gaming. Hi, Ayushi, Shweta. Hi, Anakha. It's okay, Anakha. Hi, Legend, Padmavati. Hello, Deepak, Shweta. Your name is Shweta. I'm good, Muskan. Thank you so much for asking me. Hi, Geeta Devi. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Chalo. So, guys, let us look at this one. Oh, thank you. Great, Shubham Free Fire. That is nice that you scored 10 on 10. Hi, Dipesh. Very good. More than 200 of you have got it right. It is absolutely correct that it is evaporation. Let us look at the leaderboard. And we have got Durgashri, Ganesh, Ashwin, Sushant, Shwetu, Lakshadweep, Divyansha, Aditya and Ronak. Whereas Durgashri is the fastest and she is the winner of the quiz. Congratulations, Durgashri. You did a great job. You are the winner of the quiz. Amazing. Super amazing. Now guys, if you want to learn about this chapter more in detail with me, you can go to vdnt.in/ytpro and guys, you don't have to pay a lot of amount for it. You get a very good discount if you use the code PRPRO. So select your grade, select your target exam, but what do you get in it? You get unlimited live classes, you get to interact with India's best teachers, you get unlimited doubt solving, test series, assignments, study material, guaranteed score improvement, plus you get to choose a schedule that you want to learn at. So click on get subscription and you can choose 1 month, 3 month or a 6 month subscription. Put the code PRPRO for a discount. Put the code PRPRO and you get a heavy discount and you get to learn with the amazing teachers at Vedantu. Also guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Vedantu Young Wonders and connect with us on Telegram. Thank you so much for watching guys. Until we meet next, take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed. Keep smiling, spread the smile, not the virus. Take care. God bless you all. Love you all.